But the people that will lie get told to them, fool.
Yeah, every course I get 500,000 money. They get more than the MP for the year.
Bro,
Them get around 60 million. They get around 60 million for the year. Yeah.
Bro.
Then Mark, 2 separate elections. Then if money fine for running election. After election,
Yeah.
money no must fine for getting if you work.
Oh, you mean?
Then fool.
Bro.
And they will show you degree, Mark. They will pop out degree on paper and show me and you know. I say, who are you? How dare you call me a fool? Pop out that big bachelor's on paper. Who are you? How dare you call me a fool?
Yeah.
But remember, this a boy is still calling a jackass.
Yo, I feel they were fucking going to youth. So if you don't get both my farm work, that's the truth.
And yo, kind minister. I come past age from me, I get on from Terry Long 9P, you know. I come over the age, me over 45, you know. Me over the age. For the boy, you them do, them do it from them. But listen, I said, them shouldn't do it.
You had degree and
what you say now? Them shouldn't do it so still.
Age part, I don't know.
Oh yeah, but them shouldn't do it so. Them couldn't determine the person age.
Your brother and the council couldn't do it so. Council don't suck a button and take people with degree. And the council can hardly sign a good paper. And I
we know, man.
With good degree for either. People can't fool this, sir. The council where they have the PMP man literacy up, you know? And the man take be a well-read man, be a certified young lady. We go through the ranks and qualify them. Fool. Don't say the lead. I don't say I can people say them bright. Then fool.
We got tough time, bro. Tough time, both me. Look, let me fly pan 17 planes. 17 planes. And nothing.
All right, you know something here, and I live no few got foreign farm work in a Labour Party for more than PMP time.
No few more.
No.
PMP and Woodland Party.
Yo.
If you don't come ready now, go.
PMP get farm work and sell them back. Sell them back. Sell them. To the different company.
Yeah. Brother, I true you know, brother. Brother. The man, me love how Delroy beat them, but you know, you see, as Zulika Jess, at 3,003 votes, she get beat by a Michael, and she come from, you know. And me see she want me see a video, she had dance and I walk up with the people, them. Whoa, you know, I look black and white blouse, and I look jeans and flat slippers, she go on 9-9. I be old people, she shout,
be old people, be old people. That they can't tell people nobody, but you are intelligent. But time come. You can't even get 5,000 votes from where you come from. Eh? Not even 5,000 votes and you're born there, so you have woman, you have lawyer, you have mama there, you have papa there, you have cousin there, you have business there. And you couldn't get 5,000 votes if you lose.
Bro, I bet me also fuck with her.
Yeah, slowly. And I can't hear me say no. Me say yeah, listen, I say no. Slowly, slowly convert a man, say, he must 75 what the year. You know, somewhere when him say, be part of this.
So you convert nobody, man convert himself, Mark. Not still that, the man convert himself.
Sorry. The man convert himself to blow.
Yeah,
this a man I vote for. Yeah. I'm watching a Delroy. Me see, the man the same thing. A man convert himself. Same way in Manchester, there so too. That's a blow. The man them across the floor when them home.
PMP tired of PMP, man.
Yeah. I'm tired of them, brother.
Mark, I yesterday the young lady attack. I'm never want this speaker. Mark, every walk to the constituency. Me not care about the old people there. You see the young people them? Mark, PMP, PMP left, right, and center. Right. So we see young lady waste our time. Tell her say we see some, miss some. One whole yard go one day. Me and the MP go one whole yard one day.
Yeah.
And we don't actually come and name out how much vote she have in the name out who live there for, who don't live there for, who have vote there, who have go vote. PMP, tired of PMP.
One slowly. And everybody want to hand up business. People want them yard road fixed, you know. You see me a deal.
And everybody want him to buy vote on the election day. People want representation now that about PMP. So Labour Party raise the scope of politics and make people feel enticed because of election day. Now we are getting policies, success from policies and executions and so forth. why they must go to the polls. No longer we are by the day. Too long Jamaica depend on the day alone and the day only. By going out and it bigger money talk. We graduate from that type of politics they know. We have put success and execution and performance to the paper.
Yeah, man, for one. Yeah, Bridget. Me.
Mama, respect. One moment, respect. Yeah, man.
Me just want them for labor right, Bridget. I'm tell the truth. They do it because me feed the love for the country, Bridget. Hands up can't help me.
Brother, from me a youth I go to school. And me, not become a liberate family. Because I people watch I do research and see liberate always I do good. Always. It's at the social housing program, Gusto. If it's the shit last time, they must see I got down at Tivoli. And the man I show you what from a dongle can transform a community. I mean, I say, look at that. PMP can't show nothing. It's a documentary from the 60s that, you know. You see I got built Tivoli, you know. And thing, you know. And the man should say, social housing program going along and the JLP government, brother. Trust me. My name is for the people, brother. Andrew, them I try to fight against, man. Andrew. Remember me tell you.
Go show them up. I look at company get go show them up.
Yeah. Alright, Gusto. I tell you something. You see the man we're against Andrew Wallace, but they see me now, I don't want to say, I tell you, I'm a labor right, you know. I'm Gusto that talk, I say, you want for myself, I tell you, watch out. You can't buy me and buy out my vote. You can't buy me no liquor. You can't give me no money. I not take it. I not take nothing from PMP, brother. What me say? Me a labor right. Me a real labor right. You can't buy me up. I not take your money. You hear me? I say animal exam kind minister. You can't. Me there somewhere and see him. And them look away there. You can't buy me up, brother. You can't buy me. Me not take nothing from PMP, brother. Me a real labor right, brother. Me a real labor right. Me not take nothing from PMP MP, brother. Nothing from PMP. Yeah.
Oh. And alright, now. Yeah, me come. Grab your better youth. But PJ still think you in future. You can imagine if Jamaica did own to airport and Jamaica did own the backside end or we could do better.
I watch one of the airport them owned by Canada, you know. We airport one was owned by what India now, you know. Now man must say man Manley owned by Canadian government, you know. I don't know how sure them, but them sell out. Anyway, later, bro. Later.
The candidate PMP, I not even like you want to winner. You're a champion loser. When we say champion loser, you get a gold medal in a losing. The PMP candidate for Northeast St. Elizabeth is a champion loser. Here how she becomes a champion loser. You born and grown in one place. Remember, Jamaicans love use feelings and emotions to vote. Jamaicans always vote off a policy. Then if Jamaicans always vote off of policies, I'm seeing more to Jamaicans vote off of feelings and emotion. The lady hails from Central Clarendon. Yeah, we know the cliche says Central Clarendon can be considered or characterized as a bedrock for the Jamaica Labour Party, hands down. Fine. The guy that she ran against, which is our great Mike Henry. Elderly man who never had the physical ability to physical ability to go around and walk and campaign the ground like days of old. Young girl, say she a liar. Girl have business in a Central Clarendon. Girl mother, father come from Central Clarendon. Lady, All if you did, I go lose, fine. But you shouldn't lose. I couldn't even get 5,000 votes in our village where you come from. 3,003 somebody vote against the lady where PMP sent come on Northeast St. Elizabeth. 3,003 somebody vote against Zulika Jess from Central Clarendon. Yes, the same liar. What she said she be. 3,003 somebody from Central Clarendon where she born, raised, grew, have business in her. Yes, the same liar. 3,003 persons say not a backside. You will not be entrusted with our current affairs of Central Clarendon. Now, lady, you see this gentleman here? Born, raised, and grown up in Northeast St. Elizabeth, has businesses in Northeast St. Elizabeth that employs a vast amount of people, young, old, and both genders from Northeast St. Elizabeth. You expect the Northeast St. Elizabeth to sacrifice good leadership, a philanthropist, for a stranger? All in the name of politics, lady, you're crazy. You expect with a swap black dog for monkey, lady, are you crazy? Lady, this is a past student of the Monroe College, lady. Regardless of the guy's age, he's a St. Elizabeth native by birth. Lady, you expect us to bypass leadership and proper performance, all in the name of politics. You, Zulika Jess, you expect us to bypass, overlook proper performance, homeboy, all in the name of politics. We must elect or select you as our member of parliament, a champion loser who your hometown rejected. 3,000 strong said no to you, young lady. An old man who was not able to walk the grounds as you were able. You were touted to uproot the man because you were younger. You were touted as being fresh. You were touted as being from the area, young lady. But you could not uproot Mike Henry. Cliche, that is already known. However, not even the fact that emotional nor sympathy vote couldn't stop you from lose by under 3,000 in a constituency where you hail from, and then you're going to move from this as a champion loser with desires to uproot a homeboy. Lady, you're smoking crack. Lady, you're on crack. Why are you smoking, lady? Who inspired you to even contemplate coming here to uproot somebody who is from here, who hails from here? Lady, hands down, Mr. Slowley's performance is unmatched to none of your old-time politicians that the PMP sent here. Let me tell you why, comrades. Because the PMP under their regime were of the view that, listen, you see these Jamaican people, they are not for themselves. We own them. We, the PMP, we own them. They don't own themselves. So you know what the PMP did? PMP told the Jamaican people that, look, this is a PMP country. In other words, saying to them, you see, if I piss in your head, wash your head with it. A rain or fall. Yes. You see, by saying a PMP country, you have scandals like under the Patriotism time, Shell Waiver scandal, FinSac scandal. You know why they were so brave, people? Because they decided that you Jamaican people are not owners of yourselves nor decisions of yourselves. They were of the view that this is PMP country. Mark you. In other words, PMP would be the mother and father of all citizens of Jamaica. So in other words, the PMP always thought that, look, see whatever we do, see whatever we say, stands. Because this is our country. So we go piss in these people's heads, and we go have them wash them heads, and tell them, say, yo, a rain or fall. That's what you call subliminal abuse. And you people who find yourself gullible, you are nothing but people who are suffering from Stockholm syndrome. Yes, you suffer from Stockholm syndrome because you still yield to defeat, and your oppressor and your abuser and you start sympathize with your oppressor and your abuser. The PMP is an abuser of you people. You see, this is St. Elizabeth and Northeast is the father and mother of the infamous, famous Black River. Yes, the stream and the head of the Black River runs and flows through Northeast St. Elizabeth. You see, with those type of history, comrades, in the abundance of water, you comrades were made to feel thirst. Comrades, in the abundance of water, you guys were made to feel thirst. Because you know why? It's a PMP country. And you know how many know that, comrades? It was so factual till AJ Nicholson abused it daringly, going on a public platform here in Northeast St. Elizabeth, telling constituents in the circle and beyond that, listen to this now, comrades. No vote for Kern, no accessibility to the most precious commodity on earth, which is water. Comrades, we have to stretch it out like that. Why? Water remains the most imperative thing that human needs for our day-to-day living. But comrades, so controlled were you guys by the PMP, it was so easy for AJ Nicholson to do this or have done this. Went on a political platform and telling you, the taxpayers, that listen, you could have paid tax till you're blue. You could have paid tax till you're green. You ain't getting no water if you ain't voting for Kern. Comrades, you remember those words? You see, when you keep on being a comrade after those words were spoken, you are suffering from Stockholm syndrome, comrades. Comrades, you see, in any other country, a leader of any caliber makes such an utterance, that guy or lady would never stand another day in that portfolio. Comrades, you don't know nothing about patriotism. 80% out of 100 comrades cannot start the words of the national anthem and finish it. Comrades, 80% of comrades cannot say the words, the precious words of our dear national pledge. Comrades, that goes to show that you cannot display any trait or characteristics of patriotism, comrades. You know why? You see, true patriotism is not taught in schools. It is taught via our pledge and national anthem, comrades. And you guys refuse to know those precious words. Comrades, you guys are myopic and gullible people, susceptible to mis and disinformation and also misleading information. Comrades, on the infamous for treating current affairs / politics like sports. Comrades, that is dangerous. You see, when you can be a loyalist to the West Indies, comrades, or a loyalist to your favorite Arsenal football side when they lose, you know why you can afford to do that, comrades? Because you see, when Arsenal lose, comrades, your pot goes still put on tomorrow, comrades. Comrades, you see, when Arsenal lose 6 matches in a row, you still go eat tomorrow, comrades. Comrades, you see, when a political system fail, comrades, you may not eat for days. Comrades, you may not eat for months. So you see, when you use no sporting emotions and treat current affairs like sport, comrades, something wrong with you mentally. Comrades, it doesn't matter what accolade you post in terms of academical achievements, comrades. I have never read the Bible, comrades, and saw the Bible highlighting or giving plaudits to any man nor woman for education. I can go to the same Bible, though, comrades, and see how the Bible emphasize, re-emphasize, overemphasize people having knowledge, wisdom, and understanding, comrades. You see, I will love this politics, comrades, for whatever reason, comrades. But there comes that time, comrades, where we are going to vote sometime, not because of only the love, but we're going to vote because of the reality, comrades. No, your mother love PMP, your papa love PMP. Who cares? No receipt for show for performance. Where plans were mentioned, poor execution, or little or no execution. Comrades, you see, water is a precious commodity, comrades. You see, infrastructure, same precious commodity. Road, water, two of them hand in hand, have to go together so your people can go forward. Those are precious necessities. You see, when you are being deprived of those or cannot get access to those, comrades, you call that failure or weakness in performance and leadership. Those traits, comrades, familiar to you guys. People of Westmoreland, for example, St. Thomas, even people in Northeast St. Elizabeth, realize you're not just getting water, comrades, or constituency people. Comrades, you're not getting the water because of voodoo, nor black magic, comrades. Yes, you're not getting it because of voodoo, nor black magic. You see difference in performance and difference in leadership, comrades, or why you're getting flowing water in your pipelines and not truck water, nor having to resort to buying water, comrades. So when you pay your tax dollars, comrades, you're granted the privilege of the things that your tax dollars are supposed to do, give you proper road, infrastructure, proper healthcare facilities, and even facilities for justice and complaints, police station or courthouse. Comrades, you see, you hear Patriotism boast of the legacy of the PNP, comrades, but how much of a relating argument or arguments can you, comrades, give to support the so-called success of the PNP, comrades? It is by constituency that the growth and development of Jamaica is driven, comrades. 14 parishes, comrades. PNP got the whole country locked one at a time. Remember the old cliche, comrades? PNP country, because of the data for sure. Then, comrades, 14 parish. Why under PNP, only a handful or a little bit under a handful remain the driving force of the economy or the country? Why, comrades? 14 parish. But why was only Montego Bay and sections of St. Elizabeth Northeastern and one part of St. Mary alone are drive the economic development? What happened to the potentials of other constituencies? You know what happened, comrades? Your tax dollars were pocketed because you guys were up the view just like the hierarchy say a PNP country. So you guys were taken for a ride, roller coaster. People pissing on the head and telling us the rain a fall. Remember Patriotism tell us say I shall return? Comrades, you see, not any other country where democracy is serious. You see, after those utterances, Patriotism could not even be found, comrades, much as to even return. Comrades, you see, when a comrade like Colonel Spencer would have done what he did and even contemplate re-election, comrades, danger that is to your democracy, comrades. That is very dangerous. You know why? These men feel like they will always be pardoned for the injustice or injustices and atrocities that they bring onto people and their socio-economic reality. And to say that, comrades, I grew up in a PNP supporting home, comrades. But all my grandfather could have spoken about was just manly. Comrades, what's my occupation? My occupation, Mr. Bang, is what I don't know. My occupation is chatting. Yes, chatting. What's your occupation, Mr. Bang? All right, continuing. So you see, comrades, you see cheating the current affairs of your country like sports? Very dangerous, comrades. Very dangerous. You see, when you're constantly be voting in a non-performer, your comrades, you see, if you want them intellectual, you're myopic. Comrades, in layman language, when you keep on voting for a failing councillor and a non-performing councillor, you are damn short-sighted and fool. Comrades, let me tell you why it's not a disrespect. You see, because none of you all are promoters in these divisions, and you keep dances very often, and your dance permit monies goes towards the constituency and also becomes accessible by councillors where it is needed to assist constituencies. You're being taken for a fool then, therefore, comrades, if you allow these tax dollars to not work for you, still elect the leader or the representative who is sabotaging you, comrade, because you'll be paying these dance permit monies. Comrades, how many of you all keep dances? But you can't keep a dance without a permit, because when the police come, comrades, when the police come, when the police ask you for comrades, do you have a permit to host this event? When you run go for the permit, fine. When you go pay for the permit, comrades, I want to use magic, leaf, or paper. Talk to me. Because I come like a no tax-paying dollars or so, come like a leaf. Come like a leaf when you use comrades and pay for the dance permit them. Comrades, when you buy the government burial spot, I want to take and pay for it. Leave, when you request it, when you beg it, what you do, comrades, when you pay for the government burial spots, comrades, when you not put up business signs in the communities, I don't have to pay for it and so forth. I want to use pay for it.
Speak it.
Comrades, when time you deal with the food anglers permit, if you can run these small shops in the communities, comrades, want to use pay for it, comrades. Leave, promise, I charge. Because I couldn't money. Because if I money, and the councillor go look on and tell you say, him not get no money because I labor at no power. And no law no exist in Jamaica say, no councillor not get no money because I'm a councillor for PMP or I'm independent. Nothing like that no happen. Not since 2016, I don't know of that. According to what me have as facts, every councillor get for them allocation, whether you are independent, you are PMP, or you are JLP. Comrades, you don't have no councillors. I'm sure when you not eat that I can call on the dungs and have data for sure. If you went down to have the councillor telling you the daring lie and you believe, don't quarrel with me if you call on the dungs. When I go quarrel with the man where I tell you the lie, when it exists, yes, go and go quarrel with the man where make me call you a dungs. Before you vex with me, we call you a dungs. Vex with the man where make me call you a dungs. How about that, comrades? Go and go vex with the councillor where I look by you. Join your eye and tell you, say, him the councillor for PMP not getting no money because him is a PMP councillor. And a damn lie I tell you, and you believe it, and you taking and you spread it. How when time me call you a dunks and fufu, me I disrespect you? The man where I tell you the lie, I disrespect you, and he make me call you a fucking fool. Not me. And the man who make me call you a fool, and him if you go take out your anger pan. So all the stress when you deal with me, but go take out the upon him. Yes, go take out the upon the council of the PMP, all upon you tell you, join in your eye. After you pay your tax dollars for your dance permit, and your food anglers and your sign. And the council of the PMP are going to look upon you, join for your eye. And say, boy, Paul, boy, Jerry, now I get the money from the labor right them catch you with PMP, and you buy the story, then you run with it. And you come say it like a, and you wrong and you're strong. And you come and me call you dunks and fool. And who the boy I rank with? Me know your problem. And the man will take you for the idiot. Because only a man will take a man for idiot tell a man a lie. So daring, only a man will take a man for idiot look on him daring and say, yo, see a liar, hold this. All the same, someone don't know more me still, me don't know. Some man more intelligent than me still. So I mean, me not say me I bright this thing, you know. But my decision them, I just clear everything.
Clear.
Don't all the still comrades, don't all the still, yeah. To each his own, you know what I mean? To each his own. Hey, boss lady, you know the thing. Mr. Worldwide, you know the thing going. You know? Also keeping the class in session, you know.
Bro,
comrades, I didn't even lose a sweat a while ago. Comrades, my mouth not even run dry. Yeah, man, comrades, me not even lose a sweat. Matter of fact, leave my mouth start run dry. Yeah? Can you see this what I do? I do this out of willy-lily. One word goes to comrades, willy-lily. And that me I do it out of. In my mind, me call it patriotism. Mr. Worldwide, you're damn right. You know what I mean? But me I not bright this thing in a comrades. So I'm not brighter than me still. But on the choices can make me brawling, call on a fool. Yeah, on the choices can make me just look on the daring on the face and call on the idiot. And no man will piss on my head already. And tell me say rain a fall, can't come back to me now, tell me say the shampoo, you wash out the piss. Who you think, why your piss not for why your piss not made in the first place? You come and give me shampoo for wash up the piss or your piss not my head. Why you give me the piss not my head in the first place? I want to full, sir. I go ask someone a degree. I go ask someone a bachelor, I want to full, sir. I go ask someone a PhD, how no full, sir. Because come here, I can't ask you, no. Come here, I can buy some of them PhD at you, know. You know? More and more, me see someone to circulate some video on TikTok and comment. Me start question the legitimacy and not found no qualification when I eat some big money out there. You know, look like I'm going to go through the real ranks. Come like someone to buy no way through with this thing. You know, look like I say sensible, hard thinking, critical thinking people get them a degree. You know, look so. Not in all cases, you know, see him so. Come like someone hit by just like a license. Come like someone hit by. In a no society with so much degree in a and bachelor and PhD. PMP could be relevant. In a no country with so much bachelor and degree, the PMP with the same track record could have never relevant same way. I'm telling you that. In America with the same bachelor and the same degree and the same PMP track record, PMP done.
Can't come back.
Done. So me go start one now. Some man no degree needs some proper scanning. The certificate don't have a show about degree. If the certificate someone have a show about PhD, we go start scan them for legitimacy. Cause come like I just like I want to buy a license. Remember I want to buy a passport. Remember I want to buy a visa. I don't trust you know. You know may as well buy no qualification them for you look like you know. It look like someone to buy some fake qualification. Hey, listen to me. Remember I want to buy fake visa. So nothing out on the reach. Not a ras no out on the reach. So it look like someone to buy some fake certificate in a PhD and bachelor. Which country is a PMP that could have still relevant enough after the greatest transfer of wealth from the poor to the rich? And the largest beneficiary now come a muggle and a masquerade as potential prime minister. Talk to me, man, I can show me no degree. They can carry the same degree, them in one different country and the same mark goal in one next country. And ask the people if this man could have still run. Oi, remember some country in Africa, I got the people and go for the president time yard. Go for him. So when people, man, carrying on a degree, I want them for scanning.
Ah, Jesus.
Come like a buy no way through this thing and come and rank up in a society, you know. Yo, it come like a samba position you know benefit from. Where you know have to qualify, but if you are comrade, go and go to the position yourself. Because alone samba said, we appoint these people. And we put them in places specifically. We call them civic groups. But them are not really civic groups because we fool them a PMP because we have an agenda. I wonder if someone know a beneficiary of those agenda of the PMP. Me a question on the certificate that no more Andrew Wallace. I want you to build a machine every time they present a US certificate or a UTEC certificate, sir. I want you to scan the legitimacy of it now, sir. Something not right here, sir. In a country with so much degree they and bachelor, right. Miss Flavor Williams' argument could have turned to the mockery. Same thing now add up. Sitting bogus about this. Too much intelligent people in the society here. If man walk with 2,000 in their hand, say I go a car, I go buy Pro Box. And 30,000 Jamaican like that. You didn't know that at least 20,000 of them Jamaican they had degree? Something wrong. And if we start scanning degree and a PhD certificate, I'm a virgin. Can't write.
Real. I represent yourself.
A government will give back to the people become a mockery. With so much degree and certificate in the qualification in academics. A government will give back to people versus what we take from the people become a mockery. And people go boast about education, my brethren. Take me over, we're going to start scanning the PhD them. You see the certificate they want to show the all kind of accolades. Oh, we're going to scrutinize them rigorously. Yeah, hear me? Yeah, hear me, Joe, talk. I work me there, you know. Me there work. All I want ask, I work me there.
But I don't work today, though. But they home. I tied up my place and I got work till tomorrow. But me totally agree with you, now. I totally agree with you. Because that's what I was saying. I said, look at them run with the lady thing. And the lady, I show we how we can make life. You understand?
And she become a
If you
mockery.
have $1 and it come a mockery, that's people are going to take up $2,000 carry mat.
And 30,000, 50,000 Jamaican like that. A crisis, that something wrong here. Some degree if you care back.
You know, see the people them.
Some bachelor if you care back. Some PhD if you care back. We want to scan them.
And listen, who you believe I do it? The PMP them. The dark and dunce blackhead PMP them. Because this one, they not even realize the lady. I sure we say $1 with $1 is $2. And by saving $1 with $1 make $2 by saving it.
And you become a mockery.
And you come up because they are.
You can become a mockery in a country with so much PhD, you know? Something wrong with these PhD certificates.
Did you hear this? Did you hear this saying by saying, say, they are dunce, but they are illiterate? Because I don't see what the lady, I don't see why they might make it be a big issue. And some foolishness where PMP talk, we should make it be a big issue. We don't make it be a big issue. Because we know so them have nowhere to go beside which part them there. You understand? I don't see why them, I don't see the use, I don't see why them behave like that. How stupid Jamaican PMP is.
June, PMP feel them and take from them. JLP deliver for them and give them back. How on earth?
You understand?
So much degree in our country and that government and that finance minister become a mockery. Something wrong. I mean, I want to skin not eat about this. If so much degree in the country and so much bachelor and PhD, and your finance minister propose an idea like that, and it becomes a mockery. Me say the degree them, but you see all of them not real. All of them are real.
Because in fact, like that time you got to take a
Copy and paste.
issue, a big mockery.
Copy and paste.
That is totally, you understand?
You think me looking close for these arguments? Something not right.
That is it.
Yeah, boss.
When we talk, we see the facts, and when we see the facts, we not look no help. We not look no help.
Virgin, them buy bogus license, them buy bogus visa. Me not put nothing past them. How can you become a mockery as a government that becomes a government that gives back to your people versus one that never did but took more? How on earth you become a mockery in our country where so much people lick them chest, but them degree, them PhD, and them bachelor? How on earth you and that government become a mockery?
Because it's not because even up here in Balaclava, Saturday I was on the road. And my daughter and PMP have a meeting. Yes, we're not busy with them and we mean because we don't know if Mr. Slowley have meeting, they're going to go have meeting because they are not leaders, they are followers. You understand? For me, they don't talk to say watch your PMP are going to go keep meeting. So anyway, they have their meeting. I'm not really respond to that. Saturday when me there back, me hear one little illiterate PMP girl. I can't talk about look when me Fiverr Williams I talk about like 2,000 I can make by Pro Box. And labor right run back at him. Tell us them young labor right can have an ambition. I just told me that. And I said, don't answer. I said, let me answer. And I just said to her, I just say, hello, ma'am. I said, what you talking about? When I say, so, it's dark and I live in a dark, you still live in a dark world under the PMP government, under the opposition, still dark and full. I said, what the woman say? One of the technical big issue. I said, listen to me. You know where you sound like? You sound like a totally empty barrel. And again, you have no, and she start describe the woman, you know, how she ugly. And I said, listen, when you talk about ugly, don't even go there. Because you just look like, your shape and your face and all of you just look like a basic school picnic where just start farm the letter C and it don't finish. You know, when a picnic just start learning the farm a letter C.
June, the government of Jamaica cares about the people and them pain points from 15% to 7%. How comes that is not the selling point? And what the minister say become a mockery. Something not right with these, them a PhD here, and all of them legitimate. You see them bachelors here? Something not right. Something not right. Something not add up your song. How come she become a mockery? Something fake about them a bachelors here. Something fake about them degree here. Okay.
Something them a run with it like something wrong the woman said. Like the woman that done great Jamaican or Jamaica. The woman don't say nothing that is wrong. That's why we so big and damn tough and full because what? We don't look past certain things and say we are trying to make a better life.
That's why they can't own anything. That's why they can't own anything.
That's why they can't own nothing. They can't, if a rev bit, they be stagnant.
They don't have no generational wealth or dead left. All them are dead left of poverty. They live in a poverty. And then fourth and fifth generation only left to inherit poverty. You know why? Because when you take a mockery and make a way Miss Faber Williams say, at the same mockery they make them money. Go club, bartender member them more than them picnic. These are the people who are run with the argument the most. The people them will stay relevant in a dance hall. Them have 5 handbag and the 1 school bag with them daughter have. Negland should have sew it up. These are the people who are run with it. You see, working class people will value these arguments and this money. You won't hear them follow these nonsense and share these nonsense. You see, the people them who really mind them pitney and have very little expense. You see the trope like people them, when I have enough expense, you see the Wi-Fi boomer them and hacker them, for them expense lesser than everybody is compliant. You know who sell these arguments the most? The free Wi-Fi hacker them, and the part program dependent, whatever they name. These are the people who sells the misinformation and also the sarcastic information the most. No upstanding forward-thinking citizen does not follow these stupid myopic arguments. Think PMP don't know that? Well, them know that because they interact with a core percentage of dunks in a Jamaica. Hands down.
Because the girl we attack, all she do is have this big old bag of car dance and item like a traveling bag. And I'll pick the shoes up.
Five got in shoes. 5 got in shoes, 6 handbag. Then school shoes you pitney, then buy glue. For the latest party, a tag pan shoes and go in the with. The principal say, miss, your daughter or your son is a slow learner. $1,000 for extra class a week. You tell the principal the life hard, nothing not go on. Your principal have your number, when you look on your status, pay a table full of liquor. Your clothes pretty like Ross. 3 party. Remember the same principal that tells you you can't find the $1,000 for your picnic at the extra class of the week. But you never members of the principal save your number. When the principal view your status and you don't know, your table full of everything will cost more than $1,000. Remember your picnic slow learn and the principal tell you, say, look here. $1,000 for making prep up. Extra $1,000 for the week. You tell the principal that the money don't exist. You tell the principal the life hard. But it come like someone who forget say you don't give principal the number to save. When you put the WhatsApp in the head, someone on the table full of liquor to the brim. On the picnic are the slowest learner and the biggest dependent them on the part program benefits. Brother, I want to tell all kind of lie on government as excuse for the personal life failures.
Talk truth. That's I didn't know, but like because we are.
My nigga,
because we are working.
You could have come for me, go ahead, me, shut me up, mince me up. All I did, my brethren, I just speak out of reality, my brethren. I'm vexed for no say so, you know, size up a good government. We don't care about imperfection because now we're not perfect, but my God, the type of emotion we want to use against this government, you know, fear. It is not fear,
man.
But I leave you to time.
It not fear. Time, I got on time, youth. So yesterday can't reach nowhere. Can't reach nowhere, then forever go stay stagnant and can't reach nowhere, and then picking it become and poor little picking them we are try and two them parents love dance and singing.
Enough man sacrifice to them spotlight. Enough man sacrifice their youth. Enough woman not the sacrifice their youth for the limelight. She have to go to the party and remember, we have a culture where if you're a hot girl, you cannot repeat the same dress, tights, nor blouse when you got the hot event in the last week. And you still want to stay relevant. But remember you have a child when you have on the part program. You clear your life hard because you on it so. You not try to elevate yourself with the little dollars what you have. Instead, the man where you are spending money with, him see you as an employer, when you come and spend the money with him, because him a boss, because he put where you go buy. And that's how you invest your money and you expect to reap wealth. You expect to reap wealth from the Hennessy buckle. They expect to read well for the big old table picture. A table picture will become status number 1 with 3,000 likes and 1 million views. Near me, send your picking go to school after the live, after the picture, then near me. Can I go spend it? Because that's not fun to live for, you know?
Look how much live me get. Look how much views me get.
Go and go spend anything picture them with the 1 million likes and the 3 million views. Go and go spend them and take the picture for the part program. See the table full? Oh.
And we heard, you know, we heard fool. You see the little part program in them again? Then don't think you spend it on the picking them, you know? Then don't think you spend it on the picking them.
Because 700 people go to school. PTA meeting keep 5 times for the year. At no time, 200 parents ever present.
Don't go. But if dancer keep fire to Timbuktu, they find me. That's true. Then
700 people go to the primary school. There's never a time where the PTA meeting ever have 400 parents. 700 people go to the primary school. There's never a time where the PTA meeting at least have 500 parents. These are the same people who go. You see the next 600 when they come or 500. Them are the first to tell you how the education system are the worst. Them are the first to tell you that the teachers are the worst. Remember.
When they hear now, they run with it. Make JLP say something. They say something earlier, they run with it, you know. They run with it, but when they find out who them picking figure at school, they not do it. You know, so they find like